Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. In this video, I would love to share with you a very simple body scrub that is going to help you to restore your natural body pH balance. I already have a video where I talk in details about your natural pH balance, how important it is for your skin, so you could check that out. But I was thinking that I'm definitely missing a recipe that you could use for your body, because the skin in our body definitely can suffer from this imbalance. Your skin is naturally acidic, it's on the acidic side. So if this level, normally preferably 5.5, is a little higher, your skin becomes really dry and you could definitely develop dry and flaky skin on your body. It might be even irritated or itchy, and of course if this balance goes lower, you might develop acne and really bacteria on your body. So in order for you to restore your natural pH balance, as to make your skin to look its best and be healthy, it's very important to take care of it. Today I'm really happy to share with you a very simple recipe. This body scrub is very simple to prepare, it doesn't have a lot of ingredients, and it will definitely help you to exfoliate your skin, to moisturize it, and what's more important, it will help you to restore and maintain your natural pH balance. As you know, every scrub has the base and the moisturizing part. Well, my base is going to be Himalayan pink salt, and the moisturizing part is going to be sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is something I always have on hand, that's why it's easy for me to use it. I'm also using it because it's very good for your skin, it's extremely moisturizing, and it won't really aggravate any acne if you're suffering from any, let's say, and of course it's not going to cause any acne as well. So this is actually the oil that's considered one of the best for your skin, for the skin on your face as well, and it's also rates 0 in the comedogenic list. So here I have 1/4 cup of the oil. I'm going to mix everything here in a glass container so it looks nicely, but I would always strongly recommend you to really, transfer it to a plastic container, because I think it's a bit dangerous to carry glass with you and use it in the shower, because it might easily fall, and then you really don't want to do that. So, and then the next ingredient is going to be Himalayan pink salt. So my choice falls for Himalayan pink salt because it's very rich in minerals. These minerals will definitely help your skin stay youthful, and definitely we need an exfoliating part in our scrub, so I'm going to stick with the salt. We shall need 1/4 cup of Himalayan salt. I'm also using Himalayan salt because it definitely helps you to restore your natural skin pH balance. Besides that, it helps you to unclog the pores. It removes the impurities. It has antibacterial properties, so it's really good. 1/4 cup it is. So the next step you need to do is obviously mix it with the oil. And I would say the main part of our scrub is done. What you need to do is, try to work here a little bit so it forms paste. Because we are using Himalayan salt and it's kind of coarse, it's very strong exfoliator, so I wouldn't recommend you using it for your face. And when you're using it for the body, make sure you are gentle in the more sensitive areas like neck area, décolleté area, under your arms, behind your knees. So the next ingredient I'm going to add to my scrub is going to be chamomile essential oil. Well, I'm using chamomile essential oil because I feel it's very restorative in my opinion. It also helps your skin to keep its firmness, elasticity, and radiance. I would also recommend to use lilac oil if you have any. I unfortunately don't. It really helps to tighten your skin. It works as an estrogen, so it's really a great choice, not to mention the aroma you're gonna get. So I'm gonna just use about 5 drops of essential oil, and of course you could mix your favorite essential oils. You could use citrus essential oil, peppermint essential oil, but I would really stick with chamomile. I think it's really good in this particular recipe. And now I have just a couple of additions. If you are going to have the scrub more to treat the acne or uneven skin, sometimes you might have really rough skin, I would recommend you to add nutmeg, because nutmeg is considered really great remedy for acne, and I'd say especially for the body acne, it might be a great remedy. You won't really need a lot, I'd say half a teaspoon, and I'm gonna just do it approximately here. I also love adding it because I really love the smell. Besides that, I'm also gonna have a little bit of cinnamon, and when you're using cinnamon on your skin and if you've never used it before, I would strongly recommend you to do a little patch test, because not every person can really do well with cinnamon. Some people might get irritated skin, but if you are of course allergic to cinnamon, you don't never even use it in food, I would of course you can't use it for your skin. So now my scrub is absolutely ready. I love this scrub. It really smells amazingly, and I definitely love the way my skin feels. So I think that Himalayan salt really helps to lock in the moisture that sunflower oil gives you, and your skin definitely gets all the benefits from the minerals. So this scrub is abrasive, so again, you have to be careful in the sensitive areas and if you have sensitive skin. What I can recommend, if you have a really coarse Himalayan salt and you're not sure if your skin is going to really be well with it, you could grind it so it's going to be more like fine salt, and this way your scrub won't be that abrasive. But I find that this consistency is especially good for, massaging rough skin, especially if you want to give some maybe anti-cellulite treatment in the hips area and even the rough areas, on your elbows. This works really well if you want to really give a great massage for your abdomen. You could use the scrub once a week. I won't really recommend you to go crazy about it because, too much exfoliation for your skin is always a bad idea, even if you think it's your body skin and it's not that gentle as your face. I hope you guys really like this recipe. It's very simple and it's really great. It will give your skin great benefits. Your skin will be exfoliated and, what I love the most, moisturized at the same time. Besides, sometimes when your skin on your body doesn't feel its best, you probably need to think maybe you are always showering in a very hot water and that's why your skin is irritated and dry. Maybe the products you're using as far as your shampoos or maybe some body washes or even soaps are not good for your skin. They might also cause your skin to be dry and they might even cause acne. You could definitely prepare the scrub in advance. It will definitely stay for a long time, so you could just keep it in the refrigerator. I think it's the best idea. And again, be careful because the oil will make it slippery, so just be careful. And when you're doing the scrub, try to make sure that your skin has been already, has got a little steam, so all the pores are open. Try to relax, use circular motions, and definitely enjoy the procedure. So if you like this video, please put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I wish you guys to stay very happy, very healthy. I wish you to achieve everything that you're planning on right now. I wish you to be very positive, and I wish you to look openly into the future. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later.